Imagine a structure so luminous, so breathtaking, that it seems not built by human hands, but shaped by light itself. A palace where sunbeams dance across marble halls, where every arch, every column, and every corridor tells a story of power, elegance, and timeless beauty. Welcome to the majestic White Palace of Light, arguably the most beautiful royal architecture ever constructed. In this video, we're going to embark on a visual journey inside this ethereal marvel, unveiling the secrets behind its radiant design, its cultural significance, and why it has captured the imagination of travelers and historians alike. Stay with us as we explore one of the world's most awe-inspiring architectural wonders. Rising like a gleaming beacon against the horizon, the White Palace of Light is a testament to artistic ambition and architectural genius. Its pristine white facade appears almost to glow, a tribute to craftsmanship that blends tradition with visionary innovation. Sunlight reflects off its surfaces, painting each detail in shades of brilliance and shadow, creating an atmosphere both majestic and serene. Every element, from its towering columns to the grand entrance steps, has been purposefully designed to evoke awe and reverence in all who behold it. What sets this palace apart from every other royal residence in history isn't just its scale, it's the mastery of light itself. Built with materials that gleam under the sun, the palace harnesses natural illumination to transform ordinary stone into something celestial. Inside, vast halls framed by soaring arches and ornate columns draw sunlight through intricate windows, sending rays cascading across polished marble floors. The effect is nothing short of magical, spaces that seem alive, glowing with inner light. But the brilliance goes beyond aesthetics. The interplay of light and architecture was no accident. It was a deliberate design that celebrated both spirituality and sovereignty. Light becomes a symbol here, a metaphor for enlightenment, purity, and the divine right of those who once walked these corridors. The White Palace of Light was more than a residence. It was a monument to dynasty and influence. As with great royal structures throughout history, a palace of this magnitude stood as a declaration of wealth, stability, and cultural sophistication. Much like the legendary palaces in bygone empires, it served as a ceremonial backdrop for state affairs, grand receptions, and moments that shaped the narrative of a people. Ancient royal palaces across the world were designed not just to house rulers, but to embody the spirit of an era, a physical manifestation of a civilization's artistic and political heights. In this sense, the White Palace of Light sits proudly among those monumental achievements. Whether carved from marble, adorned with gilded motifs, or crowned with graceful domes, every inch was crafted to inspire and command respect. In the next sections, we'll take you inside the palace's breathtaking chambers, from grand halls bathed in radiant glow to sacred spaces where light and shadow converge in perfect harmony. We'll uncover the architectural techniques that make this palace a masterpiece and the historical legacy that continues to captivate people across the globe. So if you've ever wondered what the intersection of royal grandeur and radiant design looks like, you're about to find out.